What is a loan pre-approval?
A loan pre-approval is an indication from a lender that they are prepared to lend you up to a certain amount. This is based on an initial assessment of your income, expenses, debts, savings, and credit history. A pre-approval is also known as a conditional approval or an approval in principle. A pre-approval is not a guarantee of finance. It is issued subject to conditions such as a property valuation and no material changes in your financial situation. It helps you understand your borrowing capacity and shop for a property with confidence.
Are all pre-approvals the same?
There are two types of pre-approvals. Number one, a fully assessed pre-approval. And number two, a system-generated pre-approval. A fully assessed pre-approval involves a lender's credit team reviewing the documents manually, verifying your income and liabilities, and conducting a proper credit assessment. This type of pre-approval carries significantly more weight and provides greater certainty when making offers. A system-generated pre-approval is an automated, high-level assessment issued by a lender. This is after the details are entered into the system. The decision is produced by a computer algorithm, not a human credit assessor. It is based on information that you provide, such as your income, expenses, debts, and savings. But supporting documents are not fully assessed or verified. As a result, it is fast to obtain. A system-generated pre-approval should not be relied on as confirmation that a loan will be approved, especially when purchasing at an auction or competitive markets. If you want to know more about the different types of pre-approvals, feel free to contact us or follow us on our socials.